Diamond Divas. I'm bringing you a Diamond Dotz. Diamond Dotz painting. You can find Diamond Dotz at Joann's and Michael's and Hobby Lobby and online. It's called Hometown Pride. And its dimensions are, let's see, are 20 inches by 16 inches. That's the design. This particular painting is exclusive to Michael's. Exclusive to Michael's. And it's a Thomas Kincaid painting. Now, Thomas Kincaid is a famous painter who paints light, bright light into things. This reminds me of the houses down in Cape May with the white picket fence and the gardens and the flag. It just reminds me of Cape May. There's a street in front. It says Thomas Kincaid on the bottom. It is a poured blue canvas, so you will not have any trouble with bubbles. The color goes beyond the edges of the painted area by just a bit. It is confetti heavy, but that's what I like. It looks like there are, let's see, it doesn't give a sequence number for the colors, so it's hard for me to judge. The box should say, though. It says here in fine print, right? "34 colors. 34 colors. And this is a licensed to Thomas Kincaid, which means, license means that they do pay for the use of, they pay the artist for the use of their designs. On the bottom, it gives you the kit number, which is DDM10.050, Hometown Pride. It's also in French, and it gives you the dimensions on the bottom. And the canvas is a stiff backed canvas, not fuzzy at all, but it will stand up to lots of abuse as you're creating it and as you're trying to get it framed and that kind of thing, or hanging it on the wall. It is a very sticky canvas. And let's look through the drills to see if we have any Aurora Borealis, the special ones that shine in here. In every kit, you get a pen and a squishy, a pot of wax, a gray boat, and some baggies. The Diamond Dot drills are all round. Their colors do not match up with DMC numbers, but you can get a conversion chart. In fact, I think I have a conversion chart up on my Google Docs. If you're interested, write to me at wandasworkbasket@gmail.com, and I'll see if I can get a copy to you. And while you're looking at these gorgeous colors of drills, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell. It just tells YouTube that you would like to help me tell others and help others with their diamond painting. It lets the algorithm know that these videos are useful to you and they might be good enough to pass on to others. The color ranges in these are so beautiful. So very pretty. I think the big vibrant colors go into the flowers in the garden. I'm trying to look for the ABs, but they don't seem to stand out separately like they do for other companies. These are very shiny drills. I think they have a lot of they must have a lot of facets in them because they're very shiny drills. It's very hard to tell what would be Aurora Borealis and what isn't because it's just so Tiny. There we go. Come on now. And the last drill train. We have the greens and the peaches. And I don't particularly see any that are special drills. And that's okay, because they don't have to have special drills in order to be beautiful. No, I don't see any special drills. But, like I said, this is exclusive to Michael's. It is a Thomas Kincaid painting called Hometown Pride. Hometown Pride. Get these back in here. I look forward to doing this one over the summer. Each Diamond Dot kit comes with the name of the kit and its inventory number. Well, okay, this one doesn't have the name on the kit, but you know that already. And this is, the canvas's size is, let me see, did I mention that before? "20" by 16 inches to the very edge of the sticky glue part. Alright, I have more Diamond Dots to show you, so stay tuned. Show up for the next one. Thank you for coming by, for coming by, Divas, and let me know if, I know this reminds me of Cape May. Where does it remind you of? Where's the hometown that you might see white picket fences and clapboard houses and flags and beautiful walkways of flowers amongst old growth trees? Let me know. I'd love to know if it mirrors yours, if your hometown. Alright, Divas. See you next time. Bye.